Here we have a Mitsubishi 2010. Customers complaining about the gauge is going all the way up. Okay. Going crazy. Next mechanic told the cluster is not good, but we'll find out the problem. Okay, so we shut off the truck. Definitely you guys gotta check for the fuses and things like that, relays, but most important part you have to check it's on the battery, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, we are on the battery side. They did replace the batteries. Okay, so those batteries are new, but look right here. Okay, look, that's right here the problem. Okay, so careful with this one. Look, you see, loose, so it's not getting good contact. That's the problem. Okay, so they think it's tight, but it's loose. And right here too, on the battery side, take a look. See, it's loose, so it's not making a good contact. So that's why the gauge is going crazy. Okay. So now we have our terminal. We're gonna replace this one and we're gonna do the right way. So okay, so we're gonna remove it and see if we can do the right way. See, they stripped the board right here. Look, see what they did. They stripped the board. So I gotta block that thing so I can be able to fix it. Same thing on the back. Trying to remove that. See, trying to remove it using a vice screw and everything, but it's too tight. So I think we're gonna cut that thing. So I cut the bolt. I use the grinding. Make sure you use the goggles to cut that. Oh no, something get into your eye. Okay. Now we're good with the ground. Now we gotta do the power now in the back. So we got both of them out. Now we're gonna use a new ones. I like to use new ones. Okay, new ones. We're gonna tighten it up, and that's all the problem. Right. Okay, we finished replacing. It has new terminal. Now it's tight. Make sure it's tight. Don't leave it loose. See, it's tight now. And you see the back is tight too. Okay, it's tight. Now let's see if the truck is still the same problem. Should be okay. Okay, now we're gonna start the truck and see if it does the same problem. Okay, that's normal when you remove the batteries. Okay, now let's see start. Okay. Okay, let's see one more. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna shut off again. We're gonna start the truck back again. Okay. Okay, it's good to go. It's a Mitsubishi Fuso. Let's one more time. Okay, so the gauge is good now. Working good. Okay, easy fix. We gotta reset the code for the transmission like that. That's it. Alright.